Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. I was just going to make this video and then that happened. I got this signal and let me show you. First, I was going to start my video, but unfortunately there was some system, so you can see there is no sound. So I was just stop. Let me show you a entry in the GPB USD. Let me show you here. First, let me show you here this one. I will just make 2 minute video and then notice that there is no sound in my video, so I end this video and make a new video. Here you can see this was the signal data in the GPUSD. I got the sell signal and then that happened. So you can imagine this system is so much accuracy, and let me show you this one. 92.86% accuracy. Okay, this is mind-blowing indicator, and only single indicator give you the accuracy like this one. Okay, and let me show you results in some other pair like USD JPY. There is some issue in, maybe I think in PC, that is some problem, but hopefully it will load in few seconds. Now this one, now that was actually another awesome results. Okay, in the Euro USD, let me show you. Actually there is a news, but you have, I was just showing you that according to the news my indicator is working so awesome. Okay, this was the sell entry, and that's where and accuracy you can get 95%, around 95%. That is actually huge. Or you can watch it, out of 146 trade, accuracy is 94%. Okay, that is mind blowing. Okay, and I have if we use second indicator, that is called simple Hoga 4 point. These two indicators are not available on TradingView. So how you can get this indicator, I will show you the later. Okay, first you have need to add one more indicator, then I have to show you some more interesting things. I put lot of efforts to make this indicator magnet V5. I put a lot of effort to make this indicator, but here you can see the second indicator is giving you. Let me show you the whole details. So we have need to discuss the whole details. First watch the complete details, then we will discuss more. First, here you can see there is a band lines here, three band lines. Okay, middle line, upper band line and lower band line, and there are some lot of buy and sell signal. Okay, there are lot of buy and sell signal. You can see, watch it, you can watch it. There are a lot of buy and sell signal, and there are a lot of fake signal as well. So to filter the fake signal, we are using magnet V5. Okay, but we discuss first simple 4.8. There is a ribbon as well. This is actually RSI, a very important. Okay, here you can see the RSI. Whenever the RSI is coming upside and you are getting sell signal, you can see you are getting awesome results. Now you can see again the RSI is crossing the lower band line and you're getting buy signal. So this is another good profitable trade. Okay, and here you can see our RSI is again coming below from the lower band line and you're getting buy signal. So you need to watch it again from this point, and you can see. Okay, so now again this point and you can watch it. Oh my god, that was awesome. That was awesome. And magnet 5 give you the result like this one. Okay, so first we have need to further we have need to discuss further, then I will show you the results in some other pair like gold, Bitcoin, each and everything. Let's see the results in Bitcoin of magnet indicator, how profitable trades magnet V5 is giving you in the Bitcoin. Let's see. Sorry. Now there is a magnet V5 in the Bitcoin. So let's see. Okay, it's giving you around 91.89 out of 148 trades. That is actually awesome. Okay, it's give you the buy signal and you can see watch the results. Okay, and then the second indicator you can see watch it and awesome results. That was actually awesome. Okay, here you can see that was a sell trade. Okay, and here you can see from this point you can go for the buy trade and you can see. So first we have need to hold details in the simple logo 4.8, then we will discuss magnet in details. We will discuss all that whole details. Okay, and let's see me show you results in crypto pair like good crypto pairs like Bitcoin. Okay, I show you the result Bitcoin. Let's see result in Ethereum. Here is Ethereum. Okay, LTC. It's taking some much time in the loading, so let's see the results. And 91.20 is actually very good. Okay, not a bad one, a very good. Okay, so now we have need to discuss we added two indicators. Now we have need to discuss the detail. First you have need to watch it when magnet V5 is giving you the buy and sell signal like this one. This one is the buy signal, this one is the sell signal. Okay, this one is your buy signal. Okay, and there is a ribbon, or you can say the trend lines indicating you the green area, that is a buy area. Okay, and you can see, but if you will add second indicator, you will get another entries like here. This one is your first buy entry. Okay, and there is a buy area, and here you can see this is another buy entry because the this one area is green one, so you have need to go for another buy entry. Okay, and you can see this is another good area to buy, uh, and here you have need to execute your trade. And this one here, okay, it's loading. Chart is loading here. There is some internet issue, but it's okay. It's taking a little bit time in loading, so let's see, hopefully it will be fine. Okay, come on, still loading. Okay, now first indicator is now working fine. Okay, now here you can see this, you got the sell trade. Okay, and you can see the market is going downside in the LTC. Okay, it's giving you awesome results. Okay, okay, let's move further in the gold. That was awesome, that was awesome. Okay, and if you will use the combination of two indicator like this one, that was actually awesome trade. In this trade candle you got the sell entry, and then boom, you got the buy signal here, you can see. Okay, but this is not our buy signal, it's a fake signal. Okay, because you can see the area is clearly telling you that this is the sell area. You do not need to go for the buy trade, and so you do not need to go for the buy trade. Okay, it's working perfectly fine. Here you can see there are this sell signal, this sell signal, both sell signal. Go for the sell trade, and you can book your profit here, or you can book your profit at this point. Okay, the buy area. Okay, you can go for the buy trade and you can book your profit like when you got the sell signal. Okay, like here you can go for the sell trade, you need to book your profit here. Okay. Okay, now here you can see buy signal because the area is green, so you need to go for the buy trade. Okay, you can book your profit here, or you can book your profit here. Okay, and so lot of buy sell signal, and now hopefully you will understand the strategy. It's not a difficult one, even a very beginner who do not need trade all the time, can use this indicator very easily, like this one buy signal, or you can book your profit here. Okay, now this one sell signal, a very strong sell signal, and you can see you got the profit. Amazing. You can watch it here. You can see sell signal, and you can see amazing result, man. That is your sell signal. Okay, and you can book your profit here, or you can go for another sell signal. You can go for another sell trade, and you can book your profit here. Okay, in the previous one, hopefully you will get the buy signal here. Hopefully, yeah. Okay, yeah. From this point, yes, buy signal. This was the sell, a very strong sell signal, and you got the profit here. And again, you got the both type of buy signal, so you need to go for the buy trade. Buy signal profitable, sell signal profitable, buy signal and is much profitable, sell signal profitable. Okay, sell signal. Yeah, these are all sell trades. First sell trade, second, third, fourth, fifth, five sell trade, and all the sell trades are profitable. Here you can see buy trade 1 2 3 4 5 6, and all the 6 trades are profitable here. Okay, here these are actually a very small profit, but actually it's a profitable. Okay, so you can see this pair work on all pair. Like, let me show you results in SPX. Okay, you can see, watch it. Buy signal profitable, sell signal profitable, buy signal profitable, sell signal, yes, is not so much profitable, but this sell signal profitable. You have need to watch it. When you got this sell signal, you did not get the second type of sell signal, so it's not profitable. Again, not profitable because you did not get the this type of buy and sell signal, so it's not profitable. Sell, you got the sell signal, you got second signal, both sell signal you got, and you got the profit. Okay, here you got the buy signal, and let's watch the second buy signal, indicator buy signal. Okay, you got both buy signals, so it's profitable. Again, you got both sell signals, and you can see it's profitable. Here you got the buy signal, and it's little bit profitable, but you did not get the second type of buy signal. So in the Nasdaq, okay, it's loading. You can watch the, if you got both type of sell signals, then you have to go for the sell trade, and when you got both type of buy signal, you have to go for the buy trade. It's but simple, it's not a difficult one like this one. Both type of buy signal you got, and you can see amazing, man. That is amazing. I can't believe it. You can see, watch it. Here you can see both of type of sell signal you got, and you can see you got the profit here. Okay, here let me show you. Here you got both type of sell signal you got, and you can see results. Here you got the buy signal, both type of buy signals got, and you can see results. So clearly mention all the details how you can add the indicator. Let me show you. These are my Pine script here. I am not feeling well, so but try to here this is the magnet B5 indicator. Control A, Control C, copy the code, then go to the Pine editor. First, all we have need to remove this indicator, magnet indicator, then go to Pine editor, and we have need to use Bitcoin. Okay, that's fine. Okay, here you have the Control A, remove all the code, paste my code, and then click on add to chart. After clicking on add to chart, the indicator will be displayed here. Now we have need to add this indicator. First, again go to the, here you can see indicator look like this. Again see the results. Okay, now we have need to add one more indicator, that is called SIMPLEHOGA 4.8. these are my all my script, and if you need you will get all my script, and I will show you the contact details at the end of the video. Just wait few seconds. Go to the again Pine editor. Okay, Pine editor, control A, remove all the code, paste my code, and click on add to chart. After clicking on add to chart, the indicator will be look like different, but we have need to change some setting in the SIMPLEHOGA 4.8 indicator. Okay, go to the indicator setting, uncheck this one, uncheck this one, and RSI, yes, it's the RSI ribbon you can see. Okay, and swing mode uncheck. That's all, and the indicator will be look like this one. Loading here, or how you can contact me, or how you can get this indicator. Okay, it's loading. It's loading. I have need to show you the contact details. Let me show you my contact details here. Okay, now if you need my indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram. If you want to contact me on my Telegram, remember write one at the end must. Okay, because there are some fake Telegram channels, and you have need to be aware, and do not join fake Telegram channel. Just personal contact me. Okay, and write one at the end must. Or you can contact me on my Gmail, simplehoga@gmail.com. Okay, now now the second indicator is now added, and you can see the results. Okay, so if you need my indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram @simplehoga1, and Gmail simplehoga@gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. Hopefully you will like my video and must subscribe my channel. Any further query you can ask me for, and for the next video, bye bye, take care.